My neighbor ignored this. 127,000 miles on the odometer. Thursday, he was driving on the highway. Friday morning, his Silverado became scrap metal. $8,000 in losses. Could have avoided it by spending $400.
Look, if your Silverado passed 100,000 miles and you haven't replaced these 5 things, you're literally driving a ticking time bomb. Not an exaggeration, it's statistics. 73% of catastrophic failures in high-mileage Silverados happen because of these 5 items. Subscribe to the channel because today I'm going to show you exactly what to replace, when to replace it, and how much it'll cost, because cheap knowledge today saves you from bankruptcy tomorrow.
Number 5. Radiator hoses, upper and lower. Sounds silly? Let me tell you what happens. After 100,000 miles, these hoses start cracking from the inside. You don't see it, everything looks fine on the outside, but inside, rotting. Until one hot day, high pressure, boom, it bursts. Engine overheats in 30 seconds, and when a Silverado engine overheats, head gasket's gone. $2,500 to fix, minimum. I have a mechanic buddy who deals with 3 of these cases per week. Every time the same story, but I just changed the coolant. Doesn't matter. Old hose kills new engine. Cost to replace both? $80 to $150 with labor. When to replace? Exactly at 100,000 miles. Don't wait for 110, 120,000, exactly at 100K. Number 4. Water pump. And this one's sneaky. Water pump doesn't warn you it's gonna die. It just dies. You're driving normal, suddenly temperature rises, red light comes on, and it's over. Damage done. And there's a cruel detail. When the water pump fails, it usually takes the serpentine belt with it. And when the belt goes, alternator stops, battery dies, power steering locks up, AC shuts off, everything at once. On the highway at 70 miles per hour. Saw this happen to a 68-year-old lady, alone on the road. Water pump failed, car died in the middle of nowhere. She waited 4 hours for a tow truck, in Arizona heat. Almost had a health emergency. Cost of new pump? $200 to $350. Installed. Small price for peace of mind. Replace it 100K or every 5 years, whichever comes first. Number 3. Shock absorbers. And this is where people always mess up. But the truck's not bouncing. Doesn't matter. Shocks aren't just for comfort, they're for safety. Bad shocks increase braking distance by up to 20%. 20%! You think you'll stop at 30 feet, but you'll stop at 36. Those 6 feet could be the difference between tapping the car in front and destroying it. Between dodging a kid and I don't even want to think about it. And there's another problem. Worn shocks destroy tires. Uneven wear. You replace tires every 20,000 miles thinking it's bad luck. It's not bad luck. It's dead shocks eating your $800 tires. A set of 4 good shocks? $400 to $600 installed. But think of it this way. You save on tires, gain safety, and protect your suspension. At 100K miles, no discussion. Number 2. Transmission fluid. And here's the biggest mistake Americans make. Manufacturer says lifetime fluid. Know what that means? It means it lasts the useful life they want your transmission to have, 150,000 miles. After that, they want you to buy a new Silverado. But if you change transmission fluid at 100,000 miles, your transmission easily reaches 350,000 miles. I've seen cases of 400K with original transmission just because they changed the fluid. And it's not just changing it, you need a complete flush, not that half fluid change thing. Complete flush removes all dirt, all residue, all metal particles that clog up valves. I know a guy who has a fleet of 12 Silverados, changes fluid on all of them at 100K. None of his transmissions ever broke. None in 8 years of operation. Cost? $250 to $400 for a complete flush. New transmission? $4,500 to $6,000. You decide. And number 1, the silent killer. Timing belt or chain. If you have a Silverado with timing chain and it stretches or breaks, engine destroyed. Literally. Pistons hit the valves, valves bend, head cracks. Engine becomes an $8,000 paperweight. And the worst part, you don't hear it, don't feel it, don't notice anything. Until the day it goes. And when it goes for good. Zero warning, zero chance of salvation. Mechanic told me last month, I see 2 engines per month destroyed by timing chain. Always above 120,000 miles. Always people who thought they didn't need to replace it. If your Silverado has an engine that uses chain, at 100K miles, you need to at least inspect it. If it has a belt, replace it. No discussion, no just 10 more thousand miles, replace it. Cost $600 to $1,200 depending on the engine. New engine, $8,000 to $12,000. Not a hard choice.
5 things. $2,000 maximum, or risk $20,000 in catastrophic repairs. You choose. Which of these have you already replaced? Comment below. Leave a like if this saved your Silverado. Next video, the modifications that destroy your truck. See you then.